What do you do in a heat wave when you really want to resaw some little pieces of wood? This is Brazilian cherry with like the most amazing colors in it. And your giant bandsaw blade is dull. I've sharpened it so many times that there's no gullet. The gullet is the deep valley in between the teeth blades. There really isn't any gullet left on the blade there. So I took a cordless circular saw with a 14.4 volt motor, and I got a 12 volt booster pack so I can run this. It's a little bit slower than original, but there's the blade and the top side. I was hoping for a very narrow blade like this here, like it's narrow as my bandsaw blade, and that's from the cordless circular saw blades. And I can't put that blade here on my full-size table saw, nor would I be willing to put my fingers anywhere near this blade or that blade, because they really spin, and this tiny little piece would fall down in the hole even. Yeah. So I put this together. Let's hook you guys up. Black goes to negative, red goes to positive, and we're ready to turn it on. Alrighty, that is two gorgeous pieces. Mirror image. Look at that. And the color in these things is excellent. So now I can do inlay without having inlay being an inch thick. A little bit dangerous. Nobody wants to put their fingers near one of these, and yes, the power is disconnected. I wouldn't put my fingers anywhere near my large table saw blade, and I am risking a lot by putting my fingers near this one. Not much. I mean, I guess safety first, but in this case it's like safety second. First would be just going to get a blade for the bandsaw. Thank you for watching.